Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide where we teach guide videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to delete files in Dropbox. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. So first of all, open up your web browser, then on the search bar type in dropbox.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this web page. On this page, you'll have to log into your account, and once you log in, you'll get to this home page. Once you get to the home page, make sure to click on this all files section. Once you're on this section, it will show all your files. Now, to delete a specific file, you can just click on the file. Once you get this tick mark, click on this delete button. Then this pop-up will appear. Again, click on delete, and your file will be deleted. Even if you delete the file, it will be saved in your deleted files section. On the left hand side, click on deleted files. As you can see, the file that you have recently deleted will be stored in here for 30 days. Now, in case if you want to restore this file, all you have to do is click on this box, then click on this restore button. Then the file will again go to the all files section, and if you want to permanently delete, then click on this option where it says permanently delete. Once you click on it, again you'll have to click on this button. Once you do that, the file will be completely deleted from your Dropbox. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.